Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto three line, tap onto setting icon. Click on See More in Account Center. Scroll down. Tap on Personal Details. Click on. Select the second option. Choose your Facebook ID. Continue. Type here your password. Select a region. Now I am selecting the first option, and if you want to select anything, click on to continue. Scroll down. If you want to select day, I am selecting only 7 days. Click on to continue. Scroll down, and then finally click on to deactivate my account. Then successfully deactivate your Facebook account. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.